Hello everyone, in this video you will learn that how to exploit another vulnerable machine, and that is the BossplayersCTF1. So we'll download this machine from this website. It is available free, and after downloading you will unzip the file and import the vulnerable machine in VirtualBox and set the network settings by using the own net network, and check the both machines Kali Linux and the new vulnerable machine are in the same network. So now start the Kali Linux by using your own username and password. And first of all you will check the IP address of Kali machine, and in my case the IP address is 192.168.15.4, and then you will just run the net discovery command to check the IP address of vulnerable machine. So you will verify the IP address of the vulnerable machine by checking the MAC address. So the next command is Nmap to scan the target IP to detect the open ports and the services running on them, and the SV is basically using to detect the version. And now you have the full detail. The port 22 is open, port 80 is open, and it is working on the Apache Debian. Version number is there. Now by using the browser you will check by using the IP address that what is inside in this machine, and the description is there, the website name is there, and some other information is available. So we will check the source code, and in the last you can see there is a one code. So we will try to use this code, and you can use the echo command and paste the copied code and use the base64d. This command decode a base64 encoded value and prints the original content, and you will use the base64 option multiple times to decode the code until you will find something usable. So now you have the working in progress.php file. So you will use this command. Now you will use the this command to fetch this file, the reports.txt file, and from the target web server, and then after this is the code. Okay, so now you will use the base64 again to decode this code and find the original or the hidden message, and there is nothing special. So after this you will use another niko tool to scan the URL for the web vulnerabilities. So after running the niko, so you have this information, and we will further try to exploit this vulnerable machine by using the ghostbuster. So ghostbuster is basically scan the target website, and then you will get the hidden directories and the files using in the specified work list, and it will also test the files ending with these extension which we will mention here, like PHP, HTML, text file, to find the sensitive and the backup files. So this will be the command. So the one important file, the logs.php, is exist. So we can try to open this one, and these are some logs available, and then you will further investigate, copy this directory and use this one as well in the browser, and try to check that maybe you will get something important in it. So open the source code and try to find something interested. Open another root directory and use this command for the brute force attack, and define some parameters values, like you will use the working in progress.php directory and scan. It will take some time. And then after this you will use the HW36. It will filter out the responses that have the 36 words. So only the results without the different word will be visible to you. And then you will use this command to send a request to the target URL, and passes the parameter to the page. If the page is vulnerable, then you will get the information. So this information is available in that page. So now you will start another command and use the port number in the browser as well. Yeah, it will run, and then you will get the directory Python, and you will type the which Python, like find the full path of the Python binary, and then upgrade a basic shell into a fully interactive shell, and sets the terminal type to support full colors and the better interaction, and list file with detail. And then stepwise you will open these all the file, change the directory, and go to the home directory, and again list files with details. Now you will open the home file, change directory, and then you have these all the details. Then you will go to the another directory and open the backup directory. Check all the files in the directories inside. One by one you will check all the directories. And now the next thing, you will use this command to check what is inside, and then another command will download the latest linepiece.sh privilege escalation script from GitHub using this command, and this file will be saved in the desktop. And now the next step, you will just go to the desktop and copy the script from the desktop and to the current directory, and start a simple HTTP server on port 8000 to share the files from the current directory, and then download the script from your attacking machine to the target machine, and then makes the script executable so it can be run on the target, and then execute the line piece to enumerate privilege escalation paths on the system. It will take some time. So now you have this information detail. To find the SUID access, you will use this site. Just type the find and copy this path from here, and then you will use that one to access the root directory. Yeah, now you will access the root directory, and this is the root.txt. Open that file and yeah, you will again decode, and congratulations, your machine is complete. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.